So this is the brush set, the Drillbrush Power Scrubber set that is the white soft bristles. So these are softer than the other ones, the yellow ones. They're made for like wheels, carpets, upholstery, glass, and leather. And so these things are great because you already have a drill. Just put this on your current drill set and then you can tighten it up. And then now you have a nice, this is the 4-inch one, so you can scrub those wheels or upholstery or glass, and it works great. It's just a faster way to do that. You also have a 5-inch one to cover a little bit more ground, and you have the 2-inch one. So if you need to get to cleaning those smaller in between the wheels or things like that, this will get there. And also, of course, you have the classic brush. So the classic one will kind of really fit into those spots, and it will, those corners and spots that like in between spots that you need to get into, this will get in there and it'll clean everything out. Great quality bristles on here. The whole thing is awesome, and I think that why would you get a whole scrubbing product when you can just, when you already have the drill and you can just get these scrubbing brushes. So highly recommend them. Great idea, and thanks for watching.